What are some creative ways you've used the Reacher Kit? I've got a pretty cool thing that I do, and I want to show it to you right now. I don't know if you've noticed if you have one of our Reacher Kits, but you see it has a threaded end on the handle. And so I thought, you know what? This thing probably matches one of those threaded ends that you use for paint rolling. And guess what? It does. So here's a 4-foot extension for a paint roller. And it fits pretty snugly in there. And we're going to use this to reach the glass of this Silverado, which has a bunch of soap scum from a PPF install. So we're going to use some American Detailer Garage Breeze, which is our dedicated glass cleaner. You can also use American Detailer Garage Wipeout. And then this is a smooth glass flip. And it has a quilted side on one side, and it has a dreadnought-like piece on the other side. And so a lot of people use one side for scrubbing and one side for cleaning. But in this case, I'm just going to use the dreadnought side. So this has a, remember that the Reacher Kit does allow you to kind of telescope a little bit, or not telescope, but adjust your angle of attack, so to speak. So I'm pretty short, and so I'm only 5'8", and after a couple of knee surgeries and other injuries, I've lost an inch. So I keep getting shorter and shorter, you know, just like your grandma and grandfather. So we're gonna use this. Look at this streak-free finish. And I can reach this. And I mentioned my knees for a reason. I try not to get up and down. If you've seen my other videos, I try not to get up and down too much. That's why I love our mid on the stick, and that's why I love the Reacher Kit. So check that out, streak-free, and then you turn around and take it right off and use it on the interior to clean the interior of the windshield. All right, so the flip towel is a little damp, so I'm just going to flip it inside out, which gives us a completely dry side. So I'm going to use the new dreadnought side to scrub this side. That soap scum, it's not going to stain. We do use spot-free water, but you know, it tends to, it takes a little bit more effort than you would like. So it's not something you just wipe right off. And really, if I want with this 4-foot extension, I can get even all the way across. All right, so you see my little idea for the Reacher Kit and how it can help you stay on your feet. Let me know how you use yours.